away. Oh, ancient of days, oh, ancient of kingdom shall not pass away. Oh, ancient, and your kingdom shall not pass away.